On the occasion of Anti-Obesity Day, I would like to put forward few points and facts and figures about obesity. Obesity should be calculated by a simple formula, uh, weight in kilogram divided by height in square meter, which gives you what is a figure which is known as a body mass index, and that is the unit. That means that unit will define whether a person is overweight or is obese or a disease state which is morbid obesity and super obesity. Why it is important is that overweight people can definitely reduce their weight by lifestyle changes and reducing and taking care of the high calorie food and liquids. But once it reaches the obesity, it is a matter of concern, because if not controlled at the stage of obesity, it will land up with morbid obesity, which is very difficult to control or bring it back to the overweight stage. We also must understand that obesity itself is mother of so many diseases, and the commonest of them are hypertension, diabetes, polycystic ovary, joint pains, psychological effects of the self-esteem, depression, anxiety. Of course, during this stage, there are a lot of other diseases will may creep in and may be the cause of the problems and the complications. The best thing which can happen and which should happen is the prevention of any diseases, which is ultimately should be our aim. I very strongly recommend that everybody should calculate their body mass index, and that is called BMI, and then look at how much weight they need to lose so as to bring them on the healthy state of your weight. Because if we control it, and especially at the childhood when the children are going to the school and in the early periods of the colleges, if we know our BMI, we can definitely take actions and change our lifestyle and eating habits and increase our physical activity to make sure that the morbid obesity or stage does not come. Unless we do and take these actions, unfortunately we know that our childhood obesity will get converted in a couple of years later to adulthood obesity, with so many morbid obesities coming, people developing morbid obesity, and also with the associated diseases which are there. I wish all of you very best in life and health, and I hope you will take care of your body mass index at a stage when it can be brought back to the normal BMI status. If you have more queries and questions, please do write on our comment box, and we will be too glad to help you in fighting with obesity.